Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're well. I'm also doing well. So first of all, I'm very thankful to my honorable teacher for giving me this great opportunity to say something before you. So dear audience, I'm very glad to be here. Actually, it is a great pleasure for me to say something before you. Anyway, I will try my best to deliver my short speech today's topic. So today's topic is why failure is important for success. Failure is something most of the people avoid. It feels uncomfortable, disappointing, and sometimes even embarrassing. But what many people forget is that failure is a necessary step on the road to success. When we fail, we learn, we discover what doesn't work, and we get a chance to reflect again and adapt. Without failure, we might never change our approach or improve our skills. In this way, failure teaches us more than success ever could. Thomas Edison once said, "I have been failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." This mindset is key. Instead of seeing failure as the end, we can see it as a beginning, a chance to grow stronger and smarter. You know Mark Zuckerberg? You haven't any idea how many problems he faced, how many trouble he faced in his life. He studied at Harvard University. At that time, he has fired at his university. But he never gave up. He was moving. After that, he created Facebook. Always remember, success requires risks, and risks includes possibility of failure. We should embrace it as a teacher. The most important thing is never give up. Learn, adjust, and moving forward. That's how true success is built. Step by step, failure by failure. The another thing is NGU, never give up. Thank you so much guys for hearing me. See you next time inshallah.